It's one of the biggest travesties of sports and the value system of sports and sports analysis. The undervaluing or the lack of respect paid to defense and the defensive practitioners of sport. Believe it or not, sport is equally about defense as it is about offense. In other words, it is just as important to score as it is to avoid being scored against. That is why the teams that strike the best balance between offense and defense often win titles and trophies. But if you look generally at the world of sports, comparatively, offensive players and scorers are marketed as the superstars of the sports. They sign the biggest contracts and earn the most money, not because they necessarily bring more to their teams, but because the value system of sports put a higher premium on the striker who scores a goal than on the goalkeeper who saves a goal. Sports fans also help to fuel this injustice. We have this insatiable appetite for offense. If a football game ends goalless, or a basketball ends 54-56, we say the game then boring. We probably boo the players. If, on the other hand, the football game ends 4-3 or 5-4, and the basketball ends 145 to 148, we say, yo, exciting games. It's the biggest bias, hypocrisy, and injustice in the world of sports. And hey, this is the Mavericks' last resort. Yes. We want justice. Yes, we want justice for defense in sports. Yes. We want justice for defense in sport. See that? Justice for defense.